Hello, hi, you're welcome, and it's Henry the computer guy. So today I wanted us to look at how we can password protect our document, or how can we put a password to our document. So you might be using a computer that is used by multiple people, but you have some sensitive data you want to create and keep the, let's say, you don't want people to open it, you don't want them to access it whenever you're not there or in your absence. So it is actually very simple. Actually, Word provides us with an option of encrypting our document with a password. So assuming that you already have that document there with you, you've created it already, so we are going to see how we can password protect it. So now on my computer here, I already have an exam, and that is Senior 5 exam. I already created it, but you never know, someone can, let's say, access my computer and copy the exam. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to password protect this exam such that whenever I try to open it, it will ask for a password. So that means that it will always be asking for a password whenever I try to open it, or whenever someone else tries to open this document. And what you have to note is that when you forget this password, the whole document is actually gone. You will not recover the document if you forget the password. So you have to put the password when you actually have to remember the password. So what we do is we come to the file, and this is actually Word 2013. It is actually having a file. But if you're using Word 2007, you'll come to what we call the Office button. So now what we are going to do, we shall click on our file, then we shall look for what we call protect document or protect my document. Then when we click on the drop down arrow, we shall look for what we call encrypt with a password and click on it. So when you click on encrypt with a password, it will ask us to provide a password for our document that we want to always be using. For example, let me put my password there. So then I'll say, okay, they're telling you that caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. That means that you have to be very careful when you're putting this password there. You have to be able to remember this password. Then after, you come down here and they will tell you to retype the password. So you're going to put the same password that you've put at the beginning. Then you press OK. So after pressing OK, it is going to indicate that the document you're having here is password protected, or it requires a password to open this document. That means that whenever someone tries to open this document, it will ask for a password. We can even set that. Then after that, we can try to close our document and see. We want to see whether when we try to open it, it will ask for a password. So our document is already here. I'll right click, then I'll come to open. So when I click on open, it is going to open, but it will require me or ask me to put a password or enter password for it to display the content. Let me put my password and see. Then I'll say okay. So after that, the content is actually displayed. So this is how you can password protect your document in case you don't want people to access it whenever you're not there, or you have some secrets that you want to keep and you want people to look at them. So you can password protect your document. That is how we can do that. And it's been Henry the computer guy. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And if you have a friend, you can help me share the link to that person who actually needs my content. Bye bye. I sign out.